Okay, I don't like fractions, guys. What do I do when I don't like these fractions? See, guys, if I want to rearrange this, or not rearrange, kind of manipulate this. X squared over 12, it's 1 over 12x squared, isn't it? If I just kind of separate with the x squared, sorry. And this one, the middle part here, it's 1 over 4x. And the last one, I'll just leave it as it is. So you can change it like this if you like. So what's the common factor, guys? What's the common factor of 1 over 12, 1 over 4, and 1 over 3? I'm going to take out 1 over 12 out. So this is just same as that, isn't it? I'm going to take 1 over 12 out. So here I just have x squared. So now it's just monic. And 1 over 4, I actually change it to 3 over 12, so I have the same denominator, okay? If I keep it all in the same denominator with 12, see, 4 times 3 is 12, so I have to multiply the top by 3 as well. 3 times 4 is 12, so I have to multiply the top by 4 as well. See what I'm doing? So if I take out 1 over 12 out, here I'll just have 3 left. Here I'll just have 4 left. So you can change it like this, and it will help you a little bit more in factorizing fractions, because fractions always confuse you, don't you? So that's what I've done, and then now let's factorize the inside. There's no more fractions, which is excellent. So I've got x and x. Now 4, it's going to be, I'm going to use plus 1 and minus 4, because we need a negative, and I know that 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So let's just check that. X, negative 4x. X minus negative 4x is negative 3x, which is that. So keep the 1 over 12 out, and we've got x plus 1 and x minus 4. That's the answer. Okay. Question 28, we'll also do it the same way, but this time we have a bit of a decimal, don't we? Now, in this section, our main aim is to try to make it into a monic polynomial, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is factorize by 0.1. So take out the 0.1 and you just have x squared here. Now we know that 2 divided by 0.1 is 20, isn't it? Basically, if you're dividing by a decimal like this, 0.1, you're multiplying by 10. So this becomes 20 and this one becomes 91. Okay, so now we'll factorize that inside. So we know that 13 and 7, I'm going to try and use 13 and 7, which makes 91. If you didn't really know that, you might try to do a little bit of trial and error. So yeah, spend some time finding the factors of 91, but I'm going to use 7 and 13 because I know that 7 plus 13 is 20. But I'll put my x's on my left. I'm going to use negative 7 and negative 13 because we need negative 20 and this is a positive. So we'll just check. That becomes that. And if negative 7 minus 13 is negative 20, which is this one here. So that's pretty much it. X minus 7, x minus 13 with our 0.1 out the front. Okay, so that was some non-monic quadratic polynomials, quadratic factorization. So basically trying to make it into a monic polynomial by taking out the common factor. Okay, so that was pretty much it.